NFT flipping to make money fast. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can flip NFTs to make money. So let's get started. Now I will show you that how we actually find different NFTs and what is NFT flipping basically, and how you can find the right NFT to flip and earn your profit. So I am right now on OpenSea, OpenSea.io. OpenSea is an open platform where you can discover, collect, and sell extraordinary NFTs. It is a very big marketplace where you can actually find all of these amazing collections. And here we are going to be finding our NFT to flip. I will show you what are the different factors that we consider while flipping NFTs and how you can find right NFT and get maximum profit, how to check the floor price, how to check the rarity, and how to follow a program. So first things first, let's choose a program from OpenSea. So what I'm going to do is I will go to stat and rankings right here. When we go to ranking, I will be able to see all of the top NFTs on OpenSea ranked by volume, floor price, and other status. When I come here, I will be able to see all of the top NFTs on OpenSea ranked by volume, floor price, and different stat. You can see right here, this is a long list where we actually see all of these different collections that are trending on OpenSea. You can check out their volume, their 24-hour percentage, 7-day percentage, their floor price, honors, and items as well. So I am going to be selecting any of these programs. You can go ahead and open any of the program that you are following. If you do not have any, you can just go ahead and choose one. Make sure you check their floor price. Make sure to go ahead and check their volume, the total items, the honors. And if you're looking for a new program, then you can just simply see this green dot above and it will show you that these are the new collections. So one of the collection that I am following is called Cool Cats right here on number 21. Let's open it up. So when I open Cool Cats, this is the collection right here. It is one of the very popular ones and you might have heard about it, and I am following this program, and I follow this program to kind of like get NFTs and to check out what are the NFTs that I can actually buy and flip and I can earn profit through it. So what happens is that what you can see right here is that these have almost like 10k items. Right now it is 9.9. Then the owners are 5k and the floor price is 7.9 ETH and the volume traded is 57.9k. So very popular program. What happens is this is the program that I have chose. So to flip, to follow a program, what happens is you can actually go ahead and check out their Twitter as well to get all of the information about the program. Even you can go to their Instagram or Facebook as well. So on their Twitter, you will actually get all of the information about their new launches, about their new auctions or new NFTs, anything. You can see right here that they're saying that this is going to be happening. Their website will be live on this date. So when we follow a program where we're looking to flip NFTs from a program, we follow them on Twitter as well. So make sure you check out their Twitter. How to find? You just simply go to Cool Cats and you will see these logo right here, their Discord, their Medium, and Twitter as well. Then you can go to Discord and make sure that you are part of their Discord community because it is very, very important, and Discord plays a very important role when it comes to buying and selling NFTs. Cool Cats has amazing community on Discord, so you can go ahead and join them on this server where you will actually find all of these amazing people that are actually following Cool Cats and that are into this program. And the Discord will actually also show you that different giveaways, different any giveaway happening, any new NFTs, if people are trading ones. So you will have to be active on Discord for this program. You have to be the part of their Discord community if you are going to be flipping NFTs from a program. So these are the things that we do. These are the things that matter a lot, because if a person is just on OpenSea, let's just say, and they are just checking out the NFTs from here and they're just buying it and flipping it, so that's not the process. That's not how you do it. When you are going to be flipping, you will have to consider that you are going to be following that program on Twitter, and you have to be the part of their Discord community so you can do better. After that, an important thing that we do while flipping NFTs, another tip that you have to do is to have any tool to help you find the right NFT. Let's just say that for OpenSea, you can go to rarity.tools, and rarity.tools is an amazing platform that will help you check the rarity for that particular NFT that you are going to be flipping. And it is very important that we check out the rarity, we check out the floor price, and check out and find underrated NFTs. Sometimes NFTs are underrated, and we can actually, then flip it for a very high profit. And rarity tools actually helps us find those underrated NFTs as well. So what happens is, all you have to do is just go to all collection and search by project name. You can simply type, my project is called Cool Cats. There you go. Simply click on that and it will open it up. So if you want to check out any particular NFT, let's just say if I go with this one has 4439. This is the ID for this NFT. So what I will do is I can look up on rarity tools as well. So you can see right here that this is the project and it has opened, and I can check out the rarity right here above. These are all on number 1, number 10, and as we go down, the rarity of course it decreases, and it is out of 9.9k. These are on number 1. The closer we get to number 1, the more rare the NFT is. So you can see these are pretty rare NFTs right here, but you can go to maybe low to high to find the NFT that are going to be low in price, and the rarity will decrease of course. Out of 9,099, this one is on 94. So these are the different NFTs that are in rarity. Their rarity is low, but their pricing is also low. So you can check out any of the NFT. If you have selected one, for example, this was the NFT and I want to check out its floor price and want to see different stats for this one, what I will do is I will go to rarity tools and type the ID, which is 4439, and I will simply look up. This is the same NFT that I opened on OpenSea, and on rarity tool I can actually check out its rarity score, the floor price, the highest floor price, and different stats as well, and I can get an idea that this one is actually 8.5 and it is being sold for 8.5, so there is no profit here. And this one, if I am going to be choosing one, then now look, I have an idea that it is being sold for 8.5, and according to its rarity it should be 8.5, so there is no margin for profit. So I will not maybe select this one and I will go with another one that will actually give me a good margin. So this is how we kind of compare these NFTs when we are flipping. These are the different factors that matter: the rarity of the NFT, its properties of course, and the pricing, the floor price, and whether you are active on Twitter or Discord or not. So make sure that you follow the right program which is famous, which has a market value. Even if the NFT is underrated right now, it will increase with time. So then you can just simply go ahead and buy the NFT and then flip it for profit. Make sure you have a tool to help you find the perfect NFT. Once you have a right NFT, that you're going to be getting profit, then simply sell it on your demands and make a good profit out of it, flip your NFTs, and earn money. So yeah guys, this is how we kind of find different NFTs. I wanted to give you an overview that you can actually make money with flipping NFTs, and it is super easy process and super fun as well. And when we talk about making money, of course, if you are even getting a profit of 0.1 ETH, maybe 0.05 ETH, you are going to be making maybe thousands of dollars. So even if you are getting a profit of 0.18, 0.28, you will earn a good profit. You will actually make a lot of money. So yeah, look for NFTs to give you profit of even 0.001 ETH, and it will be very beneficial for you. And when you resell it, you can actually maybe sell it overpriced sometimes if you get lucky, and you can actually make maybe 1 or 2 ETH, which is going to be amazing amazing for you because one ETH is almost like thousands of dollars, and you can, then earn that money and maybe buy new NFTs to start your own flipping thing, and you can, then get rich. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to flip your own NFTs with OpenSea or any other platform and make money. So yeah, guys, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.